When I came for the health checkup, doctor suggested to me after checking that I should go for echo test. So I got the echo test done, and then doctor suggested that I should consult the cardiologist.
So this is regarding our patient Mr. Ghosh, who was 75 years of age and had severe aortic stenosis, and he came to us with breathlessness and one episode of syncopal attack.
I knew Dr. Vivek Kumar in 2017 when I came for angiography, when he suggested that thallium stress should be good enough for me, and he gave me clearance in 2017 that nothing needs to be done. The cardiologist initially suggested that my aortic valve, the heart valve, main valve, is not functioning properly. It has shrunk.
And on evaluation, his echocardiography had shown severe calcific aortic stenosis, which was a bicuspid aortic valve. And because of his comorbid condition, he was not willing for open heart surgery.
So basically, a heart is under stress, and it is better I get this valve replaced.
We implanted a balloon expandable valve, which was, quick and easy to use. So
any problem with the heart is become a very critical, but that way within 3 days that I have come back to almost normal.
Post procedure, next day he was up and about walking, and in third day of the procedure he was discharged.
It's a really fantastic achievement, and I really thanks the doctor for giving me a fresh lease of quality life.
And he is very happy that he did not have any complications.
I found that Max general services are very, very good. No, nothing to complain. Every now and then somebody or the other keep coming and checking whether any difficulty. The cleanliness, hygiene, they're all exemplary. It's very, very nice.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.